Today is July 20th, 2017. Just want to quickly go over a setup that has been working very, very well in, quote unquote, real stocks and or just higher price stocks. So something we've been looking at, especially kind of as we've moved into this summer lull, where a lot of the cheaper stocks, the penny stocks, the momentum stocks that we like as day traders, a lot of them have been failing. Now, unlike AEZS yesterday, which was very interesting. Check out AEZS if you haven't. But they're volatile. They're crazy volatile. It's tough to track them if you're a part-time trader. They're difficult to trade if you're under the PDT because you got to be able to get in and out the same day. So a setup that I've been looking at and we've been trading a lot in StocksToTrade Pro is this week open red to green move on stocks that are on higher price stocks that are at or around the 52-week high. So AAOI has been a great example of this the last few days and again today. So, again, if you look at the yearly chart at the 52-week high, easy to find these stocks with the screeners built into StocksToTrade. I mean, it's easy to build a basic 52-week high scan. You're looking for volume. You're looking for a stock that's at or around the 52-week high. And then for me, I've been looking at the $20 plus. Now, I know that's not necessarily accessible for the guys with the small accounts. But if you're getting multiple dollar moves in these stocks over a day or a couple days, you can have a small position. A couple hundred shares times a couple dollar or $5, $6, $7 moves. That, do the math. That adds up pretty well. So AAOI, again, looking for stocks at 52-week highs, looking for stocks that go red on the day, grind back green. That's your potential entry with risk, whether you set it at the low of the day or I've been using VWAP a lot. So obviously this is hindsight trading, but AAOI, say you buy the 92.50 green move, you risk back on VWAP around 91.20. You're risking $1 a share, but you're already up $2 a share and this thing's making new highs. Could continue to push. You could have a 3-to-1, 5-to-1, 7-to-1 type risk to reward on this trade. The other one, again, very high price, but it has been working over and over again. The nice thing is also couple together the concept of heavily shorted stocks. Look for these stocks with hit pieces. Look for them that use the Twitter screener in STT to see all the nonstop bashing, determine the bias. Again, NVDA, everybody said it was dead a couple weeks ago. It's back at highs. There's an aggressive hit piece out there on this stock. Nonstop bashing. I don't know how you defend a short thesis on a stock that's technology related in 2017. It's pushing 52-week highs. Markets at all-time highs. Doesn't make sense to me. So any day, just like today, this stock opens red, grinds back green, it's a potential trade. I think short-term, NVIDIA, you could be looking at risking each day, you're risking 50 cents or $1 a share. You could be looking at $3 to $4 a share of upside. Now, obviously, you have to have a trade plan if it doesn't work. If the trade goes back red on the day, that's your stop at basically break even. If you buy on entry at red to green, you've got to set your stop again, normally around VWAP for me. So that'd be pretty tight on NVIDIA. AAOI, maybe a little better example. Say the trade works, just like it is right now in this idea. Then something happens. You're already up $1 a share. Say bad news comes out. Say the market tanks, goes all the way back. You sell at that red to green line. It's a break-even trade. You stop out on commissions, but it is a reliable setup that is working right now. Scan for 52-week highs. Scan for stocks that you recognize that are in sectors like technology. And each day, if they open red and go back green, have your plan, but that's a potential entry. So I'm loving these higher price stocks right now. It pains me to admit that I was not in AEZS, but right now I think there's much more predictability in these higher price stocks. And again, I know I featured a $100 and $160 stock, but I'm seeing the same thing in $20, $30 stocks as well. So size down and have a plan to capture those multi-dollar moves. So thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you next time.